4 years of candidate. So let's see. Now I'm going to take interview. So be ready. Okay. So this will be helpful for you. You can share with your friends. This is for educational purpose. You can share with your new candidate, new students who looking for job. Okay, let me start. I'm starting. Wait. Hey, hi Shishidhar, good morning. Just a minute.
Okay.
Guys, I'm taking interview. This is for educational purpose. I'm not going to block any policies of companies. So you can share with your friends. This is for educational purpose. Hey, hi Shishidhar, good morning. Can you please turn on your camera?
Yeah, okay. Yes.
Okay. Can you please share your ID card?
You want my ID card? 1 second, I will get it.
Okay. So I'm taking interview, guys. You can share with your friends who looking for job and who is afraid for interviews. I'm helping them to get a job, to get a good job. What all things need to be present in the interview. So I'm showing all of this. So you can be with this call. Also you can share. मैं अपने कॉल में सभी चीज़ों को दिखाऊंगा जो एक इंटरव्यू के लिए लैटरल के लिए ज़रूरी होती है इंटरव्यू करने के लिए. Okay, let me stop. Okay, be with, or you can share with your friends. Okay, if I'm audible, just give me like or something so I can see. Hello.
This is my ID.
Yeah, Shishir, but I'm not able to see you. Can you please turn on your camera?
Turn on.
Okay.
Is it visible?
No, Shishir.
Okay. Actually, I have already turned on the camera.
Okay, now I can see you.
Okay.
Okay, just a minute. Okay. Can you please keep your ID card in front of camera so I can take the screenshot? So maybe your network is poor.
We apply the background. So, 1 second, I will just stop the background.
Okay. No, Shashidhar. He joined through the mobile, I guess, because of this his network is poor, it seems. See,
No.
mostly you need to join through laptop or computer only. No, I can't see used it. That is not the problem. So
Actually, near to the camera only for the ID card.
okay, but I'm not able to see you here.
Can I rejoin?
Yeah, please. That is not the issue now. He is facing network issue and keep below. Your face and ID should be. No, your ID card is seems like blur. Do you join through? Have you joined through mobile?
Yeah.
Okay.
This time.
Uh,
Study.
no, Shishidhar, it's still blur for me. Okay, keep from bring front. Okay, okay. Uh, no, Shishidhar, I cannot see the ID number on your.
What's it?
Mhm. Now he's moving around in his home.
Now. Is it visible?
No, Shishidhar, your screen is stopped like that.
Hello.
Hello, I'm audible. Hello. Your,
Yes.
your screen is stopped,
Is it
Shishidhar.
visible?
No, Shishidhar, I'm not able to see you. Now, it's almost half of the time of interview went.
It's not showing. Can't see me. Came outside. See?
Mm, No,
Hello.
no, Shishidhar. Okay, no problem, Shishidhar. Let you start your interview. We'll take this later.
Sure, sure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
yeah, no problem. Yes, Shishidhar. You can start with your introduction.
Okay. Myself Shishir Kasar, and I'm graduated e-mechanical in Jain Engineering College at 2018. And I am a team center developer at UST Global and work with in applied materials. Now I'm working in trades only, like small changes, like I have very good experience in team center, RAC customization, PWC customization, and SOA, and handler changes, and EXE creations also. And I know I have very good knowledge about in team center models like workflow, uh, query builder, organizations, and change management usually. And also have a basic knowledge of integrations like solid edge to team center and edge to team center. And recently I have did a project like a role changes like a TFX role to CSUE. which is used in the workflow tasks.
Okay.
Like in this project, I have used the functionalities like RAC customizations also and AWC customization, handler changes and PMID changes and so on changes also.
Okay. So you
And
mentioned integration part, right? Means what was your role into that integration?
actually, I did work in the integration part. I have a basic study on that.
Okay. No problem. So you mentioned you have exposure on, you worked on the workflow designer, right? So
Yeah.
can you please explain me what is the named ACLs? Named ACLs.
Named ACLs.
Hmm.
Uh, Named ACLs is like access control message. It is used to control the workflow template, which role and which user to access that workflow templates.
Okay.
Can add the template conditions like access control.
Okay. And what is meant by template filters?
From the template filter is also same, but which role and which user you need to show that workflow template. Some particular templates need to only particular user access to that particular templates. In that condition, we can use the templates.
Okay.
There's some.
Have you worked on the structure manager? Do you have
No,
exposure?
actually, but I have a knowledge.
Okay. Okay. What is meant by BOP?
BOP. Actually, I didn't hear it.
Okay, no problem.
In other word, like alternatively.
Yeah, actually, okay. What is meant by kits and phantoms? Do you know?
It is the we have what is that? It is the storage database. Like what are the changes we have did now? We did committed to the Git.
Not.
And,
I'm asking about kit.
Because it is related to AWS customization, right? Just one.
No, I'm asking about the bomb related. Okay, no problem. No issue.
No,
Okay.
actually,
What?
that part of it.
Yeah, no problem. What are tasks we have in workflows?
Start task is there, do task, condition task, and reviewer task, and our task is there,
Okay.
and acknowledgement task.
Okay. Do you know we have do task?
Status task is also.
Do you know right do task? What is the use of this do
Yes.
task?
Do task is used to hold the operations, like a user need to perform on that particular task. It is hold the automation.
Okay. And for this, which which handler we are using? Do you know ODB handlers? Do you know any? Oh, I mean, which handler is performing in the do task?
Do task we can validate target objects are there, validate properties are like validate target object properties are there, and we can use the rule handlers so many other in that.
Okay, no problem. For user creation, which utility we are working?
Utility, make user utility is there, like a group or role, user and person is also can add the arguments.
Okay, what is the difference between user and person?
User is user team center accessibility, like a team center database we have you maintain the in users. Personal means it he had personal details is there, like Gmail and mobile number, and what are the personal details we have out of the team center. We can store it there.
Do you know how web frame technology is working?
Framing means architecture.
Yes.
Actually, in a 2 tier and 4 tier, like a 4 tier having the 4 layers, like a resource tier,
Shishidhar,
enterprise tier, and
sorry,
create
sorry to
method.
interrupt. I'm asking about web frame technology.
Frame. Actually, no, actually, I didn't get it.
Okay, no problem. Okay, no
One,
problem. You
one
can
has
explain
storage, but I
4-tier
can
architecture.
learn about that. Yeah.
Yeah, no problem. You can explain 4-tier architecture.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It first that resource tier, it is the base the team center, and enterprise tier, and the web tier, and the client tier is there. In a resource tier, like your metadata and value is there, and in enterprise tier, server manager, pool of local servers are there, and web tier having that we can use that JBoss, WebLogics, and in client tier we have 2 tiers and RAC client and AWC clients we can use. In 2 tier we have only 2 layers like enterprise tier and client tier.
Hello?
Yeah, yeah. Can I explain more?
Yeah, no problem. What is the difference between vectors and arrays?
Vector we can store that multiple strings in the same array, and one more is a string vector and
Array.
Vector and array, like we can store the multiple strings in a single array. So that vector is used for we can use the store multiple what is called actually I didn't remember that.
Okay, no problem. Do you know call by function?
Yeah, in handlers. Custom register callbacks and custom register exist. Custom register callbacks is for
No, Shishir. I'm asking about normal CCPP.
Okay, okay. Uh,
What is mean by call by value, call by reference?
Call by value is only for we can call by value is we can modify. Sorry. We have a value direct. We can modify the value directly, but in call by reference we cannot modify it, but it is referred to some other value. We cannot modify directly to the value.
Okay. What is the entry point function for utilities?
ITK main.
Okay. What is the difference between utilities, handlers, and extensions? Can you please explain me?
Yeah. Utility is used for external purpose, like you can create an exe for that one, like we can create a cron jobs for that, and handlers is used to in that rule handlers and action handlers are there. It is used to work. Extensions we can use the performing the actions like before performing the actions, we have checked the conditions, and after performing the action, we check the conditions like three condition post actions are there.
Okay.
And I have created one utility, two utilities are there, and one utility is like a exe, which is used to collect all the pending tasks in a workflow, and it is what are pending tasks wait for the 23 hours. If there is no any decisions for the till 23 hours, it will hold it. 43 hours, it will promote automatically to the prawn jobs.
Okay.
And
So can you please?
handler is used to that one, and in handler we have used that CA/COE role is there, and who has approved or who have taken the decision. That decision will decision and take the reviewer name and all the timings are stored into the particular property. That they have created one handler for that in recent project.
Mhm. The utility which you mentioned, pending task was automatically promoting. Can you please explain the code flow with the APIs?
Yeah. First, I will first we have created a POM query. POM query it is used to collect the all pending tasks. Like a pending task having the integer value 4. The start it is string is the start is there. If conditional status is there, we have taken the string of that particular value. We have queried the POM. We have created the POM query to collect the pending tasks, and then loop it all the number of tasks, and then we have taken the current task, current date, and taken the what is the time for pending start date is there. It is also considered the timings also. We have compared the current timing and start timing. It will what it is it is greater than the current time and start time is greater than 24 hours, it will promote. It will not, it will within the 24 hours, it will not promote. It is one more is there um, actually this much only requirement for that one, but additional requirement they approach for us what are the decisions taken from the reviewer? Like which first time reviewer is rejected. It will go to the rejected part and rework it, and again it will come to that same particular reviewer. In that condition, the task is in pending state only, but we don't have any entry properties for the rejections, like previously what happened in that particular task. We have taken for that condition, we have taken the audit logs. Workflow audit logs is in a particular job is there. In that workflow audit log, we have an entry for the what are the history of that particular tasks. We have taken the history of that and take the status, and if there is any status of the particular task is rejected, we don't promote that particular task. If that particular task is approved in the previous thing, it will wait for 23 hours, and there is no any decision, it will promote automatically.
Okay. Do you know what is the difference between AOM and POM?
EOM is limited to the applications purpose only. Application object management. POM inquiry is for complete whole structure like a workspace object, and POM application object is also there, and we can query all the database.
Okay. Do you know what is the difference between AOM lock and AOM refresh when we are using this?
Actually, we have in checkout and checking purpose we have used the AOM refresh and AOM lock. And AOM lock, AOM lock when we are used, it will lock all the users in particular object, and if someone is a third person, he can't edit it and he can't modify that code. And in AOM refresh, AOM lock has the same values like checkout and check-in having the same values of that. In AOM refresh, he can third person also checkout and check-in also that, but AOM refresh is separate functions like 0 is the checkout purpose and 1 is the checkout purpose and 0 is the check-in purpose. This we can use them.
Okay.
And before the checkout and check-in, we need to say that particular functions like AOM save without extension, with extension.
Okay. So when we are creating project for utility, we are showing some paths. Can you please explain what are those paths and use of those paths?
Like in the project settings you want.
Yes.
in utility, you can add that command line arguments, and we need to set the commands whatever directory is used in the team centers related command lines we need to add, and include paths and include CPP paths in same procedures, and libraries, and ITKML.obj is compulsory for that one, and IP LIB we can use, and CRP warning server we can add it in library.
Okay. Do you know we have this include and include CP folder? What is for this?
As per my knowledge, include is for a C purpose, and a CPP is for update like a C hash and CPP purpose we can use. That much only I know.
Okay. Do you have exposure on BMID side also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. What are the things you have done in BMID?
There is so many things, but in recent project, we have a user like a CS UI reviewer. He want he would that sorry the role purpose only that role only have an access to that role want have an access to add the TFM report to the particular item revision only one time. If there is any particular revisions are there, to second revision, third revision, in that revision he has to add a data set. DFM report is there, Excel data set. He has to add only one data set in one time. We have added a CRM group for that particular task. Add the cardinality is one, and secondary cardinality is 1, and first cardinality is 0. Right.
Okay.
And we have added the persistent properties also.
Do you know BMID works on the which 3 layers?
Actually, it is 3 layers means it's work on the backend option of the team center, like a IIoT server is there, HTTP server is there. One more, I didn't remember that one. We can deploy it to the hard. We can BMID packages. We can deploy it in hard deployments or cold deployments.
Do you know how to do the hot deployments?
Hard deployment is simple. If there is a one button like a hard deploy, you can build it and deploy it directly to the server. And it is when we come to cold deployment, we need to create a package for that. We need to create a package and then go to that environment manager, and in environment manager full update is there one step, take a full update and take the latest package and install the latest package in the server.
Okay. Do you know how to register handlers in BMID?
In BMID handler registered. BMID handler registered. I don't know.
Okay.
In ITK, we can use the APM registered role handler and APM registered action handlers are there.
Okay. Okay. Have you have worked in the Visual Studio, right? Then.
Yes.
Okay. So in Visual Studio, how to register the handlers?
That I explained. APM registered rule handler and APM registered action handlers.
Okay. So I'm asking the registration process.
Yeah, if you want to register the library, that you want to take the registered registered callbacks APM registered callbacks is there, APM register exist is there. ITK registered callback and ITK registered exit is there. Register callbacks is for register the library, sorry, load the library, and RTK custom exist, custom register exit is for register the library. In that
Okay.
we can use the custom functions. We can create a custom functions to register the handlers.
Okay. Do you know the difference between custom exits and user exits?
Uh, Actually, what they meant, but I can't explain that in a manner. Like user exist is for whatever the modification in the externally, like like what it called. We need to add. We can add it in a external functions for that particular DLL and externally operations for that particular DLL. We can use it in a user exist. In custom exist, it is used for only team center related. Like we can add it in a extra additional buttons and additional logic. Sorry, additional operations in the particular team center. We can add it in a custom registers. Custom exists.
Do you know the example of precondition or pre-actions?
Examples like there is a one actually I did it, but in precondition we have checked that whatever the need to check the DFM reports are attached or not in the particular revision. While in a revise operation, while revise operation, previous item revision having that particular data set is there or not. This concerns the preconditions. In post actions means like there is a one multi-form is there, like in multi-form while creating or say as a revise operation, new revision, there is a multi-form property is there. That multi-form property fill or not. Like, after the revise and save as, that multi-form property will be filled automatically by the post action. If you confused, like, can I explain one more?
Yeah, no problem. I understood. Do you know what is a property descriptor?
But actually, property descriptor is used to hide out visible and recordable for that particular property in the create panel and save as panel. Something is you can add control the properties like visible and recordable.
Okay. Do you know what is by property formatters or what purpose it is using?
Uh, no, actually, I didn't use that. I saw that once.
Okay, no problem. What are the types of LOEs we have?
I don't know that classic LOV and batch LOV and dynamic LOV. Classic LOV is used to uh, classic LOV. We can't modify the LOVs like after the deployments. Yeah, when batch LOV we can modify after the deployment without any again deployments. Because we can use that utility and modify the values in the batch LOV.
Which utility we are using?
PMID manage batch LOVs or something.
Okay, no problem.
Manage batch LOVs.
Have you worked on the SOA side? Do you have an exposure?
Actually, I did create a new core library, but I have modified that SOA services.
Okay.
And I know how to create a new libraries for SOA.
Okay.
I didn't get more experience in that creating a new SOA services.
Do you know from UI side how that request is flowing through the UI to the SOA?
Like we can call the SOA services for button actions.
Okay, but how that request is flowing?
Request means like workflow where first that client click the button, it will go to that request for web logics and what are the JVAs is there. Like in that validations are going, and then when the validations, microservices, the microservices are there. That microservices will be segregate the services and send it to the particular SOA or data service.
Have you created any what are the things you have done in AWS?
In AWC, I have created commands, and I have recently modified that UI changes and adding the new changes for the business project. In the NPM run generate module, there is a one type is there command. We can select that command and give that particular locations. Or else we can have modified it in view model adjustments also.
Okay. Once you generate command, what are all files will get generated?
New model JSON and model JSON is two files are created.
Okay. Do you know how to call SOA in JSON file?
Sorry?
How to call SOA methods in JSON files?
We have actually we have used that event custom is there, like it is called export. Sorry, there is a function is there, but I didn't remember that function, but because we have using event customs is there. Actually, I didn't remember that one, but that's fine.
Okay.
I know about how recently we did use that function because we have used event custom libraries of so to call the source services. Event post action, something is there.
You mentioned you have worked on the command builders and parameters. What are those requirements you have done? Can you please explain?
Actually, the customer want to create a query table, query the or what are the item revision having some properties are there. They want some properties in the query table, like in UI table. That after clicking the one button, there is the one already created in the event custom button is there. We have added a command in that, and we did an npm run standard module, like create a module for that one. Like after creating a module, export to SRC, we have done that. After export to SRC, it will create automatically HTML file and a view model. And we, according to view logic, we have added that table in the HTML. And after that, we have added the one button, and for query all the source services to query all the property values. And after clicking the button, it will call the core services, and it will call the it will go to JSON, and JSON.js we have created in query for query purposes, and what are the properties we need to call, and what are the filter properties also we have used in a JS function only. After that, we can add the values in the table after clicking.
Okay, Shashir. So you are in Pune or in Bangalore?
Actually, that USD based office is Pune only, but I am working in Bangalore office.
Okay. Yeah, no problem. I'm done with my interview. Do you have any question for me?
Nothing actually.
Okay. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you.
Bye.
HR will get back to you. Yeah, thank you. फायनली दिवसातला पहिला कॅन्डिडेट, फर्स्ट candidate I selected. Out of 4 people, I selected one person today. One girl didn't join the interview only. Second one is having somewhere mismatch with basic skills knowledge. Third one also need to be improved. The fourth one, which I just taken, I found pretty confident and having more knowledge on the skills whatever he have done. So I'm thinking to bring him. So I'm giving go ahead for him for his for the next round. Thank you. बाकीचे रे तुझा CV पाठव माझ्या कॅप्टन मेल आयडीला.
2 years का है 3 years का.
हाँ
2 years का है 3 years का.
3 वर्षाचा पाठव.
ऑलरेडी पाठवलं.
हाँ
ऑलरेडी पाठवलं त्याच्यावर हे करतो.
2 वर्षाचा पाठवलायस.